Adding another connector to a network in CloudConnexa is a simple way to improve reliability and performance. By adding a second or third connector, you get built-in redundancy in case one connector goes down. You also get load balancing because CloudConnexa can distribute traffic across the available connectors and route users through the best available connection. The good news is that adding another connector only takes about a minute. Start by signing in to the CloudConnexa Administration Portal using your Cloud ID. Then go to Networks and open the Connectors tab. Here, you'll see all the connectors that are already configured. To add a new one, click Add Connector. Give it a clear name that will be easy to recognize later, and add a description if needed. Next, select the network you want to add the connector to. The new connector will automatically use the same tunneling protocol as the existing connector on that network, either OpenVPN or IPsec, so you don't need to select the protocol again. Choose the region closest to where the connector will be deployed. This can help reduce latency and improve performance. Then click Add Connector. That's it. The new connector will now appear in the list. Next, open the Deploy menu for the new connector and select Deploy Connector. On the following page, choose where you want to deploy it. You can select a cloud provider, an operating system, a virtual private server, or a compatible router. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deployment. Once the connector is deployed and connected, your network will have additional redundancy and load balancing. And that's how easy it is to add another connector in CloudConnexa.